Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I am going to tell you how you can easily fix your fingerprint sensor when it's not working on your VIVO x300. Firstly, we have to go to the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the security and privacy. Tap it, and here tap on device unlocking. Tap fingerprint, and now enter your lock screen password. It's not get password. Here OK. And here now actually we do have our fingerprint added. And what I do recommend is not adding another fingerprint. What I do recommend is to tap on the old fingerprint, tap delete, and tap and re-register your fingerprint and add new one. Enroll now. Got it. And just place your finger that you want to unlock your phone on the fingerprint sensor, which is underneath the screen over here. You can see the status here. Move your finger sometimes on the fingerprint sensor and then tap OK here. Close your phone. Place your finger on the touch sensor. It should work for you. But if it still doesn't, what I do recommend is taking a microfiber cloth like this one and wipe the touch area on the fingerprint sensor. Now, as you can see, the whole screen can be dirty, but this is clear and well seen through the fingerprint. Now we can place our finger and it works very well. That's nice. Apart from that, what I do recommend, if it still doesn't work, is to remove any screen protector that you have on this phone. Even though if you have bought your screen protector for $100 or $50 or $20, remove it please. I mean, I don't really want to waste your money, but what I do recommend to you is that any unofficial screen protectors or uncertified screen protectors or too tough screen protectors can interfere with your screen, and it just won't work. So yeah, it's sad, but unfortunately it's true. And as the final step, go to the settings, scroll in all the way down here, tap system and update, and update your system to the latest version. Doesn't matter if here you have the Android 15 or 16, the latest version is the version you should have. And always check for the latest versions with the internet, because without the internet you won't check for the latest versions. And why would you need that? Sometimes the companies like VIVO, such as VIVO, Oppo, or maybe every other company that produces phones, apart from releasing the brand new OS, like here we have Android 16, Origin OS 6, they do release quick patch fixes for their OS, and here, as you can see, we have quite a new OS actually, and it may need some fixes, and for your device maybe fingerprint won't work. And as I said, maybe not as I said, but that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.